In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download GCash on desktop. Right away, here's the key takeaway. There isn't an official GCash app for Windows or Mac. GCash is designed for mobile devices, specifically iOS and Android. That means any file you see online claiming to be a desktop installer for GCash is not official and could be unsafe. Avoid downloading those to protect your device and your account. Now, the good news is you can still access many GCash features on your computer safely. The simplest way is to use a web browser to visit the official GCash website. Type the address directly into your browser or use a trusted search engine to get there, and always double-check you're on the real site before signing in. Once you're in, you can check your balance, pay bills, and get help from support without installing anything. Keep an eye on the address bar for the secure lock icon and never enter your details on lookalike pages. If you receive any links through email or messages, don't click them. Go to the site yourself. If you really need the mobile app experience on a computer, another option is to use an Android emulator such as BlueStacks to run the GCash mobile app on your PC. This works by creating a virtual Android environment on your desktop, letting you use apps as if you were on a phone. Keep in mind though, this method isn't officially supported by GCash. Performance can vary by computer, and there may be occasional compatibility issues. If you choose this route, only download the emulator from its official website, and once it's set up, get the GCash app from a trusted app store inside the emulator. Avoid any APKs from unknown sources and keep your emulator and operating system up to date for security. No matter which option you use, always stick to official sources. Protect your account by keeping your login details private, watching out for unsolicited messages, and never sharing one-time passwords or verification codes with anyone. If something seems off, like a site asking for unusual permissions, close it and start over from the official homepage. To recap, there's no legitimate desktop installer for GCash, but you have two safe paths forward. Use the official website in your browser for core features, or, if you understand the trade-offs, run the mobile app through a reputable Android emulator. Choose what fits your needs best, stay vigilant, and you'll be able to use GCash on your computer safely and confidently.